Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a subdomain in Squarespace. Subdomains are a fantastic way to organize different sections of your website, like a blog or an online store, under a single main domain. They appear as a prefix, such as blog, your domain, com, making your site structure clear and professional. We will walk through the simple steps to set this up, ensuring your Squarespace site is perfectly tailored to your needs and looks professional. To begin, you will need to log into the account where your domain is registered. This is typically not Squarespace itself, but rather a third-party provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Once logged in, find the section for DNS settings or the Advanced DNS Editor. This is where you will manage your domain's records, which tell the internet where to find your website's various parts. Next, you will add a new CNAME record. For the host or alias field, enter the specific subdomain you wish to create, for example, blog or shop. Then, for the points to or value field, you must enter xcust, Squarespace, com. This crucial step directs your subdomain traffic to Squarespace's servers, allowing it to connect properly with your site. Finally, head over to your Squarespace account. From the home menu, navigate to Settings, then Domains. Click on Connect a third-party domain and enter your full subdomain like blog, your domain, com. Squarespace will then guide you through the final verification steps. It might take up to 24 to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate across the internet, so patience is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.